Take it.
Take it.
Take it. Take it out.
Lesson 2.5. Using Pear Deck for interactive presentations. To add interactive elements to your Google Slides using Pear Deck, select Add-ons, Pear Deck, and open Pear Deck add-on. You will be able to add interactive slides at the beginning of the lesson, during the lesson, and at the end of the lesson. Select Beginning of the lesson. Let's say that you want to ask a question. Select the slide from your Google presentation and then select a Pear Deck slide. This will be added under the selected Google Slide presentation. You can select another slide, go back, and select During the lesson. You can insert as many slides from Pear Deck as needed. In this example, I'm going to select a True and False. When you're ready to present a Pear Deck lesson, select Present Lesson. You will be prompted to complete the free account. Select Complete my free account. Specify that you are a student. And then select Single Sign-On and Authorize with your Google account. Be sure to be signed in to your @cvuhsd.org account. Select your account, @cvuhsd, and then Allow. Then select Start my presentation. Ask everyone in the classroom to join your presentation by going into the URL joinpd.com. They will need to enter the code in order to join your presentation. Feel free to explore Pear Deck videos by visiting peardeck.com. You can log in as a student and also explore and search for how-to videos. Happy learning!